Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a text box in Adobe XD. First, locate the text tool, represented by the letter T, in your toolbar on the left side of the interface. You have two main ways to create a text box. Either click and drag to define a specific area for your text, or simply click once on the artboard to create a point text layer that expands as you type. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your text box is on the artboard, you can immediately begin typing your content. With the text layer selected, head over to the Property Inspector on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find all the controls to customize your text. You can effortlessly change the font family, adjust the size, modify the weight, and even pick a new color to match your design aesthetic. Experiment with different styles to find what works best. After adding your text, you'll often need to adjust its size and position. Select the text box using the selection tool, which is the black arrow icon. You can then drag any of the 8 handles around the bounding box to resize it. Adobe XD offers flexibility with text boxes. You can switch between an auto height setting, where the box expands with your text, and a fixed size option for precise layout control. This ensures your text fits perfectly. Beyond the basics, Adobe XD provides powerful features for advanced text handling. For consistent designs, create and apply character and paragraph styles across your project. If you need to duplicate text elements quickly, the Repeat Grid feature is incredibly useful. You can also fine-tune your typography by adjusting line height, also known as leading, and character spacing or kerning, to achieve a polished and professional look. These tools elevate your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.